I'm often asked by my women clients in particular, what can make them look the absolute best in their headshot photos? I bet the answer will surprise you. I'm Linda Cazares, and this is the place for you to be for tips, tricks, and trends for your personal branding. The answer to that question is shave. This is an example of when I'm talking about peach fuzz. This girl is stunning. In fact, when I noticed this on the picture for the first time, it is what brought to mind that something needed to be done about it rather than just photoshopping. So that's where the whole concept of shaving the peach fuzz came from. Okay, calm down. I don't mean actually shave. We don't get creams, we don't get soap, we don't get wet. What I'm suggesting is to eliminate fuzz face, take a razor, very lightly skim your chin, just like that, very lightly. You would be absolutely amazed. Once you've done that, do it to your cheeks also. Not only will your photos look better, but your makeup will go on better as well, whether or not you're having your picture taken. Now, I've been doing this for years, and so far, no beard. My husband even asked me when he saw me do it the first time, he goes, "Oh my gosh, you're gonna grow a beard?" I said, no. It'll be fine. Now, another thing that women have been doing for years is dermaplaning, and it's really very similar, except it costs a lot more than using a razor that you can get at the drugstore. And dermaplaning, for those of you who don't know what it is a professional uses a very small blade and just basically skims the skin and removes the hair. So those are my tricks. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you liked it that well, subscribe to my channel so you get a regular update when the next video comes out. Thanks a lot.